If you've got a collection on your credit report right now and you're scared it's killing your score, watch this before you pay a single dollar. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step method that can get a collection removed in as little as 24 hours, without paying the full balance and without using shady hacks. This is exactly how people go from denied to approved for cars and mortgages. Let's get into it. Welcome to Finance Frontier. I'm going to walk you through 3 steps. Step 1. Pull and freeze your reports the smart way. Step 2. Dispute using the law, not templates. Step 3. Use a same-day update method to see changes fast. Stay to the end because I'll also show you when it makes sense to stop DIY and use a professional service instead. Quick disclaimer, I'm not your attorney and this is educational only. Nothing removes accurate debts forever, but a lot of collections are full of errors, and that's where this method works. Step 1 is to lock your report. Go to annualcreditreport.com and pull your reports from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Do not use Credit Karma for this. We need raw data. Look for the collections section. Write down 4 things: the collector's name, the account number, the date of first delinquency, the status, open, closed, paid. Once you have those, freeze your reports online with each bureau. This doesn't hurt your score, but it stops new inquiries while you're disputing. Step 2 is finding the error. The law says they must delete information that is inaccurate, incomplete, or unverifiable. Look for these common errors. Does the balance match across all 3 bureaus? If Experian says $1,050 but TransUnion says $1,200, that's an inconsistency. Is the date of delinquency the same on all 3? Is the original creditor listed? You only need 1 solid inaccuracy to start a powerful dispute. Step 3. Send a dispute a human will actually read. Do not copy-paste a generic 609 letter from the internet. Write this instead. Paragraph 1. Your name, date of birth, SSN, last 4. I am disputing inaccurate info. Paragraph 2. On my bureau name report, there is a collection by collector name. Account number. Paragraph 4. Please mail me an updated copy of my report. Print it, sign in blue ink, and send it certified mail. How do you get results in 24 hours? The bureaus have 30 days to investigate, but deletions can appear instantly once approved. Here is the trick. After you mail the letter, submit the same dispute through the bureau's online portal. The letter forces a legal paper trail. The online dispute triggers a faster system update. Once you get a notification saying updated, log into your banking app or Credit Karma. These apps refresh daily. That is how you see the collection disappear in 24 hours. Now, if you're thinking, I don't want to write letters or deal with collectors, you don't have to do this alone. I've put a link in the very top of the description to a reputable credit repair service. They specialize in removing collections and charge-offs using these exact laws. Full transparency. That is an affiliate link. I recommend them because they handle the letters, the follow-ups, and the back and forth so you don't have to. Check the link labeled Recommended Credit Repair Service right below this video. Final tip, never just pay a collection without negotiating a pay for delete in writing first. Paying it usually doesn't remove it. If this video helped, hit like. Subscribe to Finance Frontier because in the next video, I'm breaking down debt consolidation loans and why they might be a trap. Thanks for watching.